In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your sales form in QuickBooks, a valuable skill for tailoring your financial transactions to better fit your needs. Customizing your sales form can help you manage your invoicing more efficiently and provides a personalized touch that can impress your clients. Let's dive right into the steps. First off, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. You'll need to log into your account, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where all the magic happens. The simplicity and intuitive design of QuickBooks are there to help you manage financial tasks without hassle. Next, take a look up in the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on that icon to access a range of customizable options and settings for your QuickBooks experience. It's like the control center for all things customizable in QuickBooks. After accessing the settings menu, you'll want to find and select Account and Settings. This section lets you configure various aspects of how your QuickBooks account operates and integrates with your business workflow. It's a powerful tool that helps ensure that everything is set up just the way you need it. Now focus on the left-hand side menu and click on the Sales tab. The Sales tab is where you can tweak settings related to your sales transactions, such as invoices, payment methods, and reminders. It's particularly useful for keeping everything related to sales organized and running smoothly. Within the Sales section, you'll need to locate and click on Sales Form Content. Here you can adjust the details that appear on your sales forms, offering a layer of customization to better cater to your client's requirements or your business's needs. Once on the Sales Form Content page, scroll down until you see the option for Custom Transaction Numbers. By clicking this option, you can enable the use of custom numbers for your sales transactions. This is especially useful for those who prefer or need to use a specific numbering system, or for businesses that need to align with existing internal processes or systems. After making your selection, remember to hit the Save button. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are recorded and will apply to your future transactions, preventing any loss of data or the need to redo settings. Lastly, click on Done to finalize your settings and exit the configuration process. Doing this will return you to the main dashboard, allowing you to proceed with your daily accounting tasks with the new configurations in place. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your sales form in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you manage your financial transactions. Remember, by tailoring your sales forms, you're one step closer to making your business management more effective and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.